Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the distance of any point in the 3D coordinate system from a plane. Plane here means it can be any plane in XYZ coordinates. So let's suppose this is the plane. So we can write the general equation of a plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Now we need to find the distance of this. So when we are talking about distance, then we are talking about the perpendicular distance of this point from this plane P. So we can write this as plane P and this point as P. So we can name this plane as plane A. So the coordinates of this point are x1, y1, z1. So this is the whole system in the three-dimensional system. So if we need to find, so this point is P and this point is O, means the photo perpendicular on the plane. Then the distance PO is D. Now we need to calculate the value of D. Then we will use this formula, that AX1 plus BY1 plus CZ1 plus D divided by under root of coefficient of x square, that is A square, coefficient of y square, that is B square, and coefficient of Z square. And we need to find the magnitude of this numerator term. So this whole expression is the formula to find the distance of any point from a plane. So this is the concept that we have learned. Now based on this concept, we will solve some of the examples so that we can learn how to apply this. So this is the point P and this is the plane A. So to find the distance of this point from this plane, we will use this formula. So we will write D is equal to, so we will multiply 3 by 1. So 3 multiplied by 1, then 2 will be multiplied by minus 7, then 6 will be multiplied by 5, and then we have to just take out this 5 to the left hand side to convert the plane equation in general form, divided by under root of coefficient of x is 3 square, coefficient of y is 2, so 2 square, coefficient of z is 6, so 6 square. And now we need to take the magnitude of the numerator. So if we will solve this, this will become 3 minus 14 plus 30 minus 5. So this will become 14, 19, so 11 plus 3, 14. So the numerator term is 14, and if we will just solve denominator, so it is 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 36, it is 49. So 49 under root is 7. So if we will solve this, then we have found the distance as 2 unit. So we need to fill 2 in this box, and then we have got the answer for this example. Now we will try to solve another example. So this is an example. So point P is given here and the equation of plane A is given. So first we will convert the equation of plane in general form. So general form of plane is AX plus BY plus CZ plus D is equal to 0. But here only Y and Z terms are given. So we can assume that X will be multiplied by 0 plus 9Y plus 3 into Z plus 0 is equal to 0. So by the comparison, we can write A is equal to 0, B is equal to 9, C is equal to 3, and D is equal to 0. And x1, y1, z1 is equal to 9, 1, 6. So if we will compare, so x1 is 9, y1 is 1, and z1 is 6. So if we will put all these values in the previously discussed formula, then what we will get? A multiplied by x1. So 0 will be multiplied by 9 plus b. 9 will be multiplied by 1 plus 3 will be multiplied by, so z1 is 6. So 3 will be multiplied by 6 minus 0, and we have to take the magnitude of this divided by under root of coefficient of x is 0 square, coefficient of y is 9 square, and coefficient of z is 3 square. So d is equal to, so this will become 9 plus 18, 27 divided by under root of 81 plus 90, 990. So if we will solve this, then what we will get? We will get 3 under root 10. So if we will solve this, this will become 9 divided by under root 10. So the answer for this question is 9 divided by under root 10, or we can convert this in decimal by using calculator. So in this box, what we will write? 9 divided by under root 10. But here the question is asking rounding to 2 decimal, so we can find out the approximate answer for this by using our calculator. So this is how we have discussed 2 examples based on the concept of distance of a point from a plane. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. If you like the way I am teaching, so please like, share and subscribe. Share this video with your friends so that they can also learn this concept. And I have also designed a calculator based on this concept, so you can also check out the link given in the description below. And if you have any other doubt, then feel free to reach out to my website and ask your doubt there. Thank you very much.